Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best rust dissolvers on the market, Rustoleum Rust Dissolver Gel. If you're dealing with rusty metal surfaces and looking for a quick and effective solution, this product might just be your new best friend. First off, let's talk about what makes this gel so special. It's designed to cling onto iron, steel, and other metals, making rust removal a breeze. Unlike traditional methods that can be messy and time-consuming, Rust-Oleum's formula works fast, dissolving medium to light rust in just 10 to 30 minutes. For heavier rust, you might need an additional application, but the results are well worth it. What I love about this product is its ease of use. The gel consistency allows it to stick to vertical surfaces without dripping, which is perfect for larger projects or intricate metal pieces. Plus, it contains a rust inhibitor that continues to protect the metal from rusting for up to 12 months after application. That's long-term peace of mind for your metal surfaces. Let's walk through how to use it. Start by applying a generous amount of the gel onto the rusty area. You'll notice it starts working almost immediately, breaking down the rust so you can wipe or rinse it away. After cleaning, you're left with a surface that's ready for painting or further treatment. One of the standout benefits is its versatility. Whether you're restoring old tools, reviving a vintage car, or just maintaining metal fixtures around the house, this gel can handle it all. It's gentle enough not to scratch the metal surface but powerful enough to transform it back to like new condition. Now, how does Rust-Oleum stack up against other rust removers? Unlike abrasive methods that can damage surfaces, this gel provides a more controlled application, minimizing the risk of accidental damage while maximizing effectiveness. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best rust dissolver out there, Rustoleum Rust Dissolver Gel should be at the top of your list. Its easy application, quick results, and long-lasting protection make it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson dealing with metal corrosion. If you've tried this product before, let us know your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and product recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring new ways to make your projects shine.